Alright fellas, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome back again to Xfinity, and today's video is going to be very important for those people who are going to live stream on Facebook and YouTube at the same time, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can live stream on Facebook and YouTube at the same time without any additional third-party application. And this is useful if you have a high internet and very stable internet bandwidth, and if you like gaming, and if you want to stream your gaming screen recording to live on Facebook and Twitter or Twitch at the same time, then this video is perfect for you. So without any further ado, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button if you like my video, and please make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can understand what I am trying to convey. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to download the OBS studio. You can get the link from the description down below, and I think that's it. And I have made a video on how to go live on Facebook, and I have also made a video on how to go live on YouTube. You must watch how to go live on YouTube because I have covered the basic settings of OBS studio in this tutorial. You can use my card after watching this video and see what are the basic settings for the OBS studio. Alright, so first of all, you need to, in order to live stream your video on multiple destinations, you need to go to your browser and go to OBS Open Broadcaster software, and you need to search multiple RTMP outputs plugin. I will also put a link in the description. You can download, you can navigate to this page directly. Once you are in this page, you need to click on go to download, and it will redirect you to the GitHub, and here you need to download the latest release, which is 0.2.5.3. and sorry, it is only available for the Windows, it is not available for the Mac. Alright, so this is the file that is required to live stream or game or any video you want on multiple destinations at the same time. Alright, so let's download this, and it is successfully downloaded. We need to open it. Now this is the very important step. In order to extract the zip files, you need WinRAR. You can also check it out on the internet. And here you have two files, data and OBS plugins. You need to right click on your OBS studio, and you need to go to open file location, and you need to navigate to OBS studio where you can see data and OBS plugins, as you can see here. Alright, so you need to extract these files and replace these files, as you can see in the root directory. So how you can replace files? You just simply need to select the 2 folder, click on extract to, and you need to copy this path. Just click on this and hit Ctrl C, it will be copied, and here you need to select this and hit paste, Ctrl V, and it will automatically detect its path. Alright, so you need to click on OK, allow the administrative permissions, and it has been successfully replaced. Alright, after replacing, what you need to do, you need to make sure your OBS studio is not running in the background. Alright, let us confirm by going to the task manager and write OBS. So there is nothing, there is no program running in the background. So you need to open OBS studio again, and what you need to do, you need to go to view and navigate to docs, and click on multiple outputs. As you can see, a window has been pop up on the right side, but it is not, you cannot see. So I will simply drag and drop it here and make sure it can be easily seen. So we have successfully set up our main settings through which we can live stream on Facebook and YouTube at the same time. So stay with me, these are very important steps. Alright, so first of all, as you can see, let me go to the settings and click on stream, As you can see, OBS Studio allows only one live stream service at a time. You cannot broadcast your live stream uh, on Facebook and YouTube at the same time using only OBS Studio. We need additional plugin, and you have successfully installed this new plugin. Alright, so in the main settings we need to map the Facebook integrated server, and for the plugin that we have successfully installed, we will use it to broadcast or gaming display or your game on the YouTube. Alright, so what we need to do, we need to let's sign into the Facebook. Let's go to the page. This is my page. You can also check this out. I upload gaming videos on this page. You need to click on live, and I guess you cannot go live from this page. You need to go to Creator Studio. Here you need to navigate to Creative Tools, and at last you need to click on Live Dashboard. So this is your live setup. Make sure you have turned this setting on, and you need to click on live and click on setup live stream. Alright, so we are in this page, and I need to write something here. PUBG, let us suppose, and what we are going to play, we are going to play PUBG, and I guess that's it. You can also choose a video thumbnail image here. And now this system, this Facebook page is waiting for the software to broadcast or game or capture or screen and display it on the YouTube or Facebook. So this is done. Now next we need to open YouTube. You need to click on create and click on go live. You can see here you have successfully configured live streaming on YouTube and Facebook. Now we are going to broadcast or live stream on YouTube and Facebook at the same time. Alright, so what we need to do, we need to make sure you need to make sure you follow my steps. Alright, we need to go to settings, and we need to go to stream, and here you need to click on service, and here we need to select Facebook Live, and I will suggest you to select yes here for the recommendation. Keep the server default, and for the stream key you need to go to the Facebook page, and here you can see this stream key. Just copy it and paste it here. That is the first step. The second step, the streaming output bit rate, it is very important. If you have a strong internet connection, and you want to broadcast your stream without any delay, you need to make sure you consume only 80% of your bandwidth. For example, I have 10 MB internet. I will use 4 MB for the Facebook and 4 MB for the YouTube, and 20% will be used for my online gaming, and I will show you the live example of PUBG. Alright, or any other game. Let us go with 4000 bitrate for the Facebook Live. We need to click on apply. We have successfully set up our Facebook Live stream key server, and output bitrate is 4000. Alright, that's it. This is ready to go live on Facebook. Now how can we go live on YouTube at the same time? You need to click on add new target. Just write your name you want, YouTube live stream. In the server you need to go to YouTube Live Studio, and you need to copy this stream URL. Alright, just copy it and paste it here. And for the stream key, you need to make sure it is a stream key. Just copy this stream key and paste it here. Alright, I think that's it. And here do not write any username or password, it will be a problem. Now if you select OBS, the OBS studio will capture your screen, it will broadcast your screen to the Facebook, and at the same time it will broadcast it to the YouTube. Alright, so it will encode only once. But if you want to encode separately for Facebook and YouTube, you can select encoder here. Now in this situation you will use your CPU power. How it is used? It will use encoder to encode video for Facebook and YouTube separately. If you go with OBS Studio, it will encode only video only once with a bitrate of 4000, and resolution you can also resolution as you have successfully set up for the Facebook. It will copy the settings, encoder will be used at once, and it will broadcast to Facebook and YouTube at the same time. So I recommend using this option. But if you do not want to go with this option, you want to, for example, you want to broadcast 6 MB, you want to set 6 MB bitrate for YouTube and 4 MB bitrate for Facebook, you can go with this option, NVIDIA NVEN CH.264 encoder. If you want to go with this option, you need to set resolution here 1920 by 1080, and you can customize your bitrate here, for example 6000 KB per second. Keyframe should be 2, make sure. I do not recommend this option, but you can use it if you have a very high and powerful GPU. Just go with the get from OBS, it will automatically broadcast your 4 MB bitrate video from OBS to Facebook and YouTube at the same time. Alright, so we have successfully set up this, and click on OK. Now this is the very important step, and this is the final step. Alright, let's click on start streaming and see what happens. If I click on start streaming, you can see my bitrate here, it will be like 4 MB, it will not exceed this. And let me show you magic. You can see my live stream is this is the preview of the live stream. I am not still alive on Facebook. If I click on go live, it will be live on your Facebook. Alright, and if I click on this start, it is broadcasting to the YouTube. Let's see. As you can see, we are live on Facebook and YouTube at the same time using this amazing plugin with each 4 MB bitrate bandwidth. As you can see here, we are live on both these platforms. If you click on go live, you have successfully set up live stream for both Facebook and YouTube at the same time. So this is super cool. And if you want to change your scenes, you can simply click here. That's so easy. I hope you have got the idea, and I have solved your problem on how to live stream on Facebook and YouTube at the same time. As you can see, both the live stream is ready to broadcast on Facebook and YouTube at the same time. So this is super cool. So hit like and subscribe now if you like this video, and if you face any problem, please let me know. I will try my best to solve your problem. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.